I propose a new artwork, which is still in development. It looks again towards public engagement to share authorship, with the space between becoming a place for curiosity and action. The work goes through 4 stages of materiality. The creation is the emergence of an ever-transforming sculptural object. A 3-dimensional projection is held in a cube of mist in the centre of a tower. Sensors embodied in the tower collect data from the physical presence of viewers approaching the installation. The data is used to generate a projection, forming a relational sculpture, an ever-emerging form reflecting the viewer's presence, their actions creating shapes and movement driven by curiosity. Water is converted into mist, no heat, and driven upwards by fans both in the base and the top, generating a wind tunnel-like effect. Lasers project onto the mist, using data gathered from the sensors placed around the tower, which pick up the human action. We may also cross the usual boundaries of space and time with multiple but identical installations in different places, offering different points for public encounter. All data is collected centrally, then instantaneously presented as a singular form, repeated. And so shared authorship and communication via the emerging sculpture is shared across physical location. But the exciting bit is what happens in this space between. What you see here is only a random possibility. The procedure for programming this, yet to be developed, could link natural processes of construction, such as biomimetic evolutions, as output, realised through human gesture as input, producing shapes and structures that creatively reference natural ecologies. Once the action is captured, it can be reproduced live over multiple platforms. It's stored in a blockchain-like ledger, so it can be recovered in the exact order that it was recorded. The whole event could also be broken down into sections, maybe 24-hour blocks, and replicated simultaneously. Every day of digital object can be perceived exactly as it was. The 3rd stage of the project involves the materialisation of the shared authorship sculptures into the physical world as permanent, tangible objects through digital printing or other data-rich mechanical means. But to further embrace humanity in a way advocated by Arendt, I would like to finally return to the hand and make by hand replicas in materials that may themselves return over time back to the earth.